Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of this build. There will be 3 parts. We got the 3D printing part. This will be priming and sanding and hopefully painting. And the third one will be making the helmet open and close with the servo. This video, we're going to be trying to get this helmet as smooth as we can. As you can see, we got the 3D printing lines on it. So we're going to be putting a primer on it. This is a Rust-Oleum 2X primer. It works pretty good and it bonds to the plastic pretty good too. So we're going to be using that, and we're just going to try to get this helmet as smooth as we can. And I'm going to start with the face plate here. Okay guys, so real quick I want to show you the kind of process of how I sand and get these nice and smooth. This, I sanded it, primed it, and the first layer of primer I just put on a super thick layer. But this is the finished product. I basically just primed it, sanded it, primed it, sanded it, primed it, sanded it, and you just got to sand it over and over and over and over and over to get that nice smooth finish. But for this top part, since there was a bunch of really big gaps in it from the 3D printer, I used wood filler, but you can use primer, filler primer, Bondo, wood filler, whatever. All of it'll work good. Okay, so now that we got all the painting done, we're going to attach everything together. And the original 3D printed file said to use screws, and they don't really work. I will put a file for that down in the description. But I'm going to tack everything together with hot glue and then PLA weld it, which is basically just taking a soldering iron and melting everything together. Alright guys, so the front part of the helmet sits on the back part of the helmet pretty well, but we need to clean up that gap right there. So I'm going to take the Dremel out and clean that up, and then we'll touch up a lot of spots with the paint. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This took me a long time to do. And don't worry, I'm not done with it yet. There's going to be a part 3 where I put servos in it. I already got those somewhat working. And I'm going to paint this gold. This and this. I'm going to paint those gold, the classic Iron Man colors. And we'll do some more touch-ups, and that'll be the final video. So stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe so you can see how this helmet turns out in the end.